Alright, so our dogs ate our previous remote. So we bought this replacement. Apparently you just go ahead and stick the batteries in and it's good to go. Yeah, you should be disappointed. You ate my remote. So here we go. Batteries in. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Moment of truth.
It's too slow and not responsive. Watch when I try to go to the right. There's a slight lag. But with my old remote, it's fast. And the voice button does not even work. Nothing pops up.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello.
Netflix.